going to add chef on my bio. A sense of threat that I can't forget. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, hello, I'm Jennifer Owa, and today I'll be making burgers. So for the first time actually, and I'd like to take you guys along. You know, I'm going to shop for burger bread, cheese, lettuce, beef, whatever, everything. I'll just search online because I don't even know what I'm about to do. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys process everything, and that's on period. So let's go. Where we'll be shopping. This is Mega Mall, whatever, I don't care. But we're actually going. I don't have a mask. This guy did not wear a mask, but he's just coming out from there. So it doesn't matter. So let us go. Yeah, burger bread. Okay, I'll wait. I'm waiting for someone, so I'll get other things, then I'll just wait for it. Thank you. So the burger bread will be ready in 30 minutes. Am I right? Yeah, someone just told me that. Yeah, what about cheese? How much is the cheese? This one is for burger. You guys some hot cheese. Okay. Yeah. What should be enough here? So we have to do cash back also so that I can get lettuce on the road. Remember there's no ketchup, so we have to get ketchup. Eh? No, there is not. You bought new one. Okay, I remember. Oh. What to be thin sometimes, you might just lose your distance. Whatever you call it, absent-minded, but yes. That's what I want for other things. So after all this now, we still have to wait for the bread though. You need to buy juice, you need to step it down. Butter. I think we should buy butter, or just small butter. Basically, everybody's looking at me as if I'm mad. If you actually vlog, you understand this, but it be things, you know, you have to gather content. So, sorry, who is here? I wanted to know the price of this burger base. This red light, is it from this one that is actually affecting my face? It's actually very fine. Okay. Alright, I'm looking here. So it's a cup, yeah? Okay. Let's leave it so that it's not big first of all. Yeah, the small size of butter. This is not where we're going to find it now. Is this where we're supposed to find it? I think we can find it here. Hi. I'm looking for butter. Blue band, yeah. Alright, thank you. In the darkest night, I saw your eyes. A sense of threat that I can't forget. Is Blue Band going to endorse us or not? That's their problem. Found it. What else? Yes, please. You guys, varieties of everything you know. I'm not sure you guys the ice cream. Sorry, I need to show them the ice cream. Into like I am so diving into this right now, you guys. Like right now. Right now. So yeah guys, we could not get burger bread. So in the next 45 minutes I'll be coming back to get that. So you guys, you know what to do. Let me do. Thank you. God bless you. Stay with me, don't go nowhere. We're coming back for burger bread. Because without the bread, there's no burger. I mean, how can you have everything that you don't have the fucking bread? Yeah. You guys, so currently we are on our way. We are on our way to go and search for burger bread. Because we have every other thing aside burger bread. Now lettuce. You got mustard. What kind of burger is that? Nigerian burger. Alright, back to the Lagos burger. So let us go out for burger, you guys. So finally found bread. Show them the bread. Yo. Oh my god. Excuse me, yeah, people think you're mad. But who cares anyway? Who cares anyway? Hi. Okay, so guys, you can see everything. I have the beef, I have my onions. Here I have tomato, I have cabbage, I have lettuce, I have pepper, and I have cheese, and then the bread. So first of all, we're going to spice. Yeah, so first things first, we have to spice with Maggi. You can decide to spice with salt first or pepper first. But I started with Maggi. You know, sprinkle the Maggi, sprinkly. Then you add a pinch of salt. Don't pack salt. You pack salt, you'll not be able to eat this burger. Then you add pepper to, you know, sprinkle pepper. And then you tap it, press it inside the meat. Tap it if you want, you know, tap the ass, baby. Anyways, that's it here for spicing. Then we put it in the microwave. So next we have to cut our bread, you know, slice the bread, butter the bread, and it also has to go in the oven. Just so you guys know, I don't know how many minutes you're supposed to like keep it. Just watch it, I've never made burger before, so I will not tell you do it for 30 minutes, do it for 50 minutes. If you listen to me, sorry. Oh, but slice your bread, put in your butter, you know. Yeah, put a butter. I didn't show you guys how I made the sauce beside that stuff. It's a secret sauce. But anyways, it's just ketchup, mayo, and I can't remember what else I added. Oh yeah, I think I added some pepper to it. So after buttering the bread, I'm just going to throw it right inside the microwave. When okay, yeah, this part, yeah, I already added the cheese to the beef and it's ready. So basically I'm just going to go ahead and put the sauce and arrange all of my burger. You guys, this is my first time making burger, so I don't even know what I'm doing. So if you want to make this burger, just watch. Don't listen to what I'm saying, just watch and follow the process, because I'm surprised I did this, bro. Add your tomatoes, you know, add your cucumber, thinly sliced if you don't want it to be like too fat. Then you add, what else am I adding? Lettuce. Add your lettuce, add some more sauce, and then you cover your burger, and that's it, period. That's basically all you need to do to get this madass burger. Like, yeah. So you guys, it is done and I'm super excited that I did this and it turned out like this. Now it is time to taste the super amazing bug. I'm so excited. Okay. We can do this. This is mad. Crazy. Mad. Now you can call me chef. She's going to add chef on my diary because what's this? So if you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more cooking practical, you know what to do. Say that in the comment section. But don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share, comment, share, and subscribe. It's your girl Jennifer Owa, and I am signing out.